respected guests, principal, teachers, and my dear students. We are gathered here today to celebrate the 78th Independence Day of our nation. India achieved independence on August 15, 1947. It was an extremely proud moment when the national flag was unfurled at the Red Fort by India's Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. This momentous occasion marked the end of the British rule in India. The British came to our nation, which was then known as Sone ki Chidiya, for the purpose of trade, but they soon began taking advantage of the discords between people. The East India Company took permission to carry out trade. The East India Company gradually began expanding its operations and established factories in various parts of India. The British were successful in driving out French, Dutch, and Portuguese traders out of the country. It was the Battle of Plassey when it started 1757, which marked the successful establishment of the British rule in India. The British made Mr. Jafar the puppet Nawab of Bengal in exchange for the territory of 24 Parganas. The discriminatory policies of the British rule led to the revolt of 1857. This event gradually marked the first occasion of organized resistance against the East India Company. The revolt was started by the sepoys of the company's army and later spread to various cities. The revolt failed due to limited participation and lack of leadership. After the revolt, the power was transferred from the East India Company to the Crown. The path to independence from the British saw various movements such as the non-cooperation movement, Khilafat movement, civil disobedience movement, and the last Quit India movement. Behind India's independence lies the rebellions and the movements carried out by many freedom fighters. These people fought with unwearying determination to nation freedom for all. Some of these brave freedom fighters were Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Lajpat Rai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Lokamanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Mangal Pandey, and countless of others. On the eve of India's independence, Pandit Nehru gave the famous Tryst with Destiny speech. I would like to take this opportunity to quote some historic lines from the speech. Pandit Nehru said, "Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not only or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes which comes but rarely in history, when we step out from the old to the new, when an age ends, and when the soul of nation long suppressed find utterance." As we celebrate Independence Day, let us remember our unsung heroes and their sacrifice. Let us continue to find strength in our unity and diversity, let us all express our gratitude towards those fought for our freedom and quality and equality. We are all responsible citizens who must fulfill our duties toward this great nation. So, happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.